Please like, subscribe, and consider supporting our channel. The full raw, uncensored, no narrations, no captions, and an edited version of this body cam footage can be found in the description below. Please consider joining our YouTube channel membership. Subscriptions and donations will be used to acquire more public footage related to law enforcement activities. It really helps us do original full-length reporting like this. Sharing this video serves a compelling public interest because it is intended to illustrate the consequences of their actions and discourage others doing so. Defendants are considered innocent until proven guilty. Thank you all for the support. Around 30:10 p.m. on July 13, 2025, Officer Erica Hall with the Lady Lake Police Department responded to target at 716 NUS Highway 27-41 on a report of a female shoplifter being detained. She walked over to the Asset Protection Office and initially made contact with Loss Prevention Lead Erin Hayes. She was advised that the female was observed concealing stolen items inside her purse and attempting to leave the store without paying.
Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Tired.
Tired?
Since 2 in the morning.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Alright, so these are the items that she concealed into her purse. We watched her select everything and put everything into that purse. This is her ID.
After looking at her South Carolina driver's license, the alleged shoplifter was identified as 18-year-old Kylie Elizabeth Bloom. Officer Hall read Kylie her Miranda rights, and she subsequently agreed to answer questions. She admitted to concealing stolen items inside her purse. This included 2 pairs of earrings valued at $15 and $8 respectively, a necklace valued at $65, and 2 bottles of sunscreen valued at $22.999 and $31.99 respectively. The receipt printout indicated that the total value of items Kylie attempted to steal was $142.98.
This is my bag. Her purse is out there. Yeah. So they've been really cooperative. I thought that she was a minor at first, hence why the family's in here. Otherwise, they would have stayed out. But yeah, they've been really, really cooperative.
She's 18.
Yep, just turned 18. Yep. I'll let you talk to her. My printer's broken, so I've got to write the affidavit. I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Trying to find the daggum. Or read this to her. Lady Lake 324 Lake 65 South Carolina deal. Okay. Your family.
Yeah. Unfortunately.
Has she ever been in trouble before?
No. She almost got kicked out of our house by her stepdad for getting a speeding ticket. Like,
okay.
She has.
Do y'all live here in Florida now?
No,
or?
we're visiting my parents. We're supposed to leave tonight. I'm meeting my mom for like an early dinner.
All right. 26. Can you run a CH for priors, please? Eckert should be walking.
Yeah, I just saw him. Whatever it is, man.
So she's 18. This is family. They live in South Carolina, leaving tonight to go back to South Carolina. She just turned 18. Mom, correct?
Yes.
Alright. Maria, what we call them, Miranda warnings. Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Having those rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So what
I
happened?
was just being really dumb. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, everything she asked for, put it in the buggy. Like, we were just trying to get out of my parents' house for a little bit because it's 75 degrees. And they're like, it's freezing in here. Let's go to the store. Get it. Get what you want.
Okay. So you concealed them in your purse there?
Yes, ma'am. You can look in my purse. I have nothing.
I'm going to. I'm going to search you too, so.
I have nothing else. I gave him everything.
Alright. Yeah, let's see. Do you have anything on your person I need to know about?
No, ma'am. I gave him everything back. I have nothing.
It's fine. I meant more along the lines of any weapons. Drugs,
Oh, no, ma'am. No.
Okay. Alright, I'll just have you stand right here for me. I'm just gonna keep you there. Let me give phone to mom for now, okay?
Okay.
You're fraud.
Yes, ma'am. It's just strapless.
You're fine. I'm just gonna have you face this way. Alright, so you do have to turn around and put
Am
your
I getting
hands-
arrested?
I have to detain you at the moment, okay?
After her investigation was complete, Officer Hall placed Kylie under arrest for shoplifting. Her mother told the officer that they were in Florida visiting Kylie's grandmother.
You have tiny wrists. I do like 324 like I have female detained. Alright. Can I have a seat here for me?
Am I getting arrested?
So here's the thing. You're not a resident of Florida. So I can't issue her a notice to appear because you live out of state. So she has to go to jail for it.
Can I drive here? I can drive down to go to court.
Unfortunately, no. There's
Anytime you don't live in Florida, you have to go to jail for the offense because our notice to appear is for, like, if you were a resident here, it'd be different. Then if you don't have any criminal history, we
You
could
went
just,
from here to Jacksonville, I couldn't give you one of those court dates.
yeah, you have to live.
Can we use like my
So-
grandma's address or anything? I'll drive down.
If she has no priors, it's gonna just be a misdemeanor offense. I think it's a $500 bond. If you use a bondsbailsman, you just pay, I think the minimum's $100, so it'd be $100. So you could go literally right up there, she can post her bond, and she can get right back out. But she is gonna have a court date, she's gonna have to come back for court, the whole deal. So, you know, if she was still a juvenile, it would have been honestly the same scenario because you don't
How long
live
does she
here,
stay in
so-
if I don't come bail her out?
Until she
Until
bonds
she bonds
out.
out or time served, 30
Yeah.
days, 45 days.
So,
I can't. We leave at 5:30. I can't just limit this to your brothers and the rest of the family. Because she did something so freaking stupid.
I mean, if she has family here and they want to bond her out and pick her up, but
No, they're gonna disown her after that. They're like heavy church people.
Alright.
They're not even gonna see
you're under 21 in the state of Florida, you also cannot vape.
That's not
So-
mine. That's my mom's.
Okay, it's in your possession, so I'm just telling you
Yes, ma'am, I
that
know,
you
but it-
can't have that in the state of Florida until you're 21.
Yes, ma'am, I
Okay,
know.
so it'll go to your mom, but
Yes, ma'am,
you can be issued citation for that, and that's a whole nother. I'm not going to, but just so you're aware, okay?
You have to go to jail. It is a whole process. I work in trauma. I watch these guys take people into me. It takes a long time. You have to.
I would say,
Yeah.
and I'm not just trying to be rude about it. It's just the simple fact you're not a resident here, so I have to take you. It's
We couldn't like use my grandma's address or anything to like say that.
you're not a resident. You're a resident of South Carolina, unfortunately.
So now I need to call grandma and be like, okay, well, we're not gonna reach you because your grandmother's in jail. For what? For a sunblock that you just put in my damn buggy?
Do you want purse to go to your mom?
Yes, please.
Put your glasses back in here so they don't get lost and messed up.
But you can't.
She can't have that. And I'll make sure that goes to you.
Can you please go on my phone and text us and call me?
I have other things for Dr. Sally.
Go ahead. 26. She's gonna be 10, 15.
How long is her booking?
Our jail's
It's-
pretty quick.
Yeah,
just
it's
depends
drive
on how
time
many people are
there,
there.
and yeah, me typing up the
It's
paperwork
the end
real
of
quick.
the end of the shift, so
Could she like follow us?
I mean she can. She
You
should
can't.
sit
She's
in the
still gonna
parking
have to
lot.
wait until
It's probably gonna be a couple hour process.
I'd say probably about 2 hours because it's gonna take 30 minutes to get there, and then paperwork
Hour
and
for
then you gotta.
Take your picture, your fingerprints.
I'm gonna take this with me. They'll put it in her property. When she gets out, she'll get her ID back. Okay.
My password is 8889.
And grandma. We are supposed to be back in 10 minutes, and then I have to go to jail for hours. What do you think? But I'm not gonna let her sit there waiting.
That's a jail address.
Do you have any phone numbers you want her to have?
I know phone numbers, but
Okay, so you're good on that part. Okay. Will you send me a statement when you get it?
You
With
just
the
send her
time
a
I
link.
want to go ahead and.
Yeah, you can send her a link. Send her a link.
Okay.
I'll do that pretty quick.
Yeah, no, I will, but if you can just.
I'll be right back in there.
Whose bag is that?
that's not ours.
It's not yours. Okay.
Well, yeah.
Well, let it be a lesson to learn from. We're gonna go all the way down to that next car.
So what all do we have to do?
Basically, I'm gonna take you to the jail. It's in a totally different town from here. It's about 30 minutes away. I'll work on the paperwork. They'll take your picture, fingerprints. Once you're booked in, you'll have the bond set. Mom or someone, if they want to bail you out, can come bail you out. If they choose not to do that, then you're going to have to sit there until.
Is this gonna be like on my record forever?
Will you stand by real
Do
quick
you
so I
know?
fix my
Because
seatbelt?
I'm going to school to get an elementary school teacher. That'll like affect my
Probably
career.
not.
I don't want to affect my career.
I mean, they'll probably ask you about it.
Apparently my seatbelt broke.
What's the difference between the two?
Felony, you can't own guns, you can't vote, you can't Do a lot of things.
What is going on with this?
Use her.
Is it because it wasn't a certain amount or something?
It's because you're not a resident in the state of Florida.
That's the only reason why.
Can you see if you can get that?
So whenever I get there, can I call people or do I have to
You
wait?
gotta wait till they book you in.
But then there's they have like payphones in the cell, so
They're
you can.
free and booking.
But they're free in booking, so you can make a call.
Like
for
whenever
free.
I'm waiting to get booked?
No, it's just harder.
Am I
I'll get
gonna-
the arrow one back here for you. Okay.
It's okay. And whenever I get there, I'm gonna be changed out of my clothes too, and everything changed.
But
They'll change her into like
a jumpsuit
and
and
different
orange
shoes.
Crocs. And you get a Florida ID. They look kind of good.
All right, I'll get.
After being placed inside the patrol car, Kylie was transported by Officer Hall to the Lake County Jail for further processing. She was charged with petit theft pursuant to F.S.S. 82.42 and eventually released pending her court appearance after posting bond in the amount of $500.
Get the air going for you in just a
Already
second.
turned it
Okay.
on.
Oh, thank you.
Send the link before you take her off.
Yep.
Have her email, right?
Yeah.
I'll just send you the picture.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Just what I wanted when I'm tired as crap.